Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, girls. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, girls. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, girls. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, girls. There, girls. Pretty girls. Yeah. I bought them some mixed fruit and nut treat. I spread it on their dirt pool. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Fly, fly, fly away, be free. We've also stocked their dirt pool with a bunch of little critters. It has at least 6 living worms in it, which we buried down inside of there, little baby worms, so maybe they'll grow and make more worms. And Andy went on a hunting spree the other day. He said he brought in about, I don't know, half a dozen potato bugs and a few centipedes and a couple of red ants, little tiny ones. I fed them some larger, medium-sized black ants, not as big as a carpenter, but not a regular-sized, smaller ant. So I fed them those, and also a couple of worms. And Fury, oh, they have names now. Fury got just about every treat there was, every worm, every ant. The little one, the little blonde one, the tiniest, over here, that's Fury. The one that looks like him is Rice, with a Y. This one, I'm trying to point the camera to. This one, with the dark head. I have a feeling suspicion it might be a cockerel instead of a pullet. Until we find out for sure. Boy, I can't talk today. We're calling her, him. It'll be Rudy if it ends up a male, and Ruby if it ends up hen. And this one's my very favorite. This is Char. Yes, pretty little girl. Alright. Anyways, yeah, so I put some water in the middle of their dirt pen. They like to flutter and fly and flap. And just having a good old day. Their red light burn out, so I went down to Walmart, got them a new red light today for the night. Yep, just having a good old time. They get a lot of afternoon sun, and I like to get them out here and make sure they're getting some sunshine on them. It's really good and healthy for them. Anyway, they're part of my green machine. To eat little lettuce scraps and broken up eggshells, and to make eggs for our 2-person family. We'll see how it goes in apartment living. Chick, 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 chick. Cuties. Chick, 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 chick. Alright, that's it for now.